my back to school haul video, my Mommy Monday haul for my girls. Now I posted that I was school shopping for Elena on Instagram and I asked if you guys wanted to see this, and pretty much every single comment was like, yes, please post the haul video for back to school. And you guys seem to like this every single year, and I didn't want to do 2 haul videos in a row because I just did a Goodwill haul for my last video and I felt really weird posting another haul video, but I really needed to get this done because my kids are already back in school and I haven't even filmed this yet. So I apologize for 2 haul videos in a row, but everyone said they wanted to see it, so this is what I'm going to be doing today. So I got a lot of stuff for the girls. I just moved out all of Elena's clothes that were too small for her, which was like a ton of her items, and I realized how just she doesn't have very many clothes anymore. Like all of her leggings had like holes in them, like holes in the butt, holes in the knees. And then Emery, I passed a few stuff down to Emery, so Emery really doesn't need that many things. So this stuff is gonna last them literally all year, and they're gonna get so much use out of all of these items. So I'm not going to do these in kid order. I know that's probably annoying, but all the stuff is just stuffed into this bag and I just don't feel like going through it right now, so I apologize that this is not in kid order. So for Emery, I picked up these little shoes at Old Navy. They're just pink with 3 little straps on the front. Old Navy, like I've said a million times, is one of my favorite stores for kid shopping. She loves these. She thinks that these are like the coolest shoes of all time. And I feel like light, dusty pink like this goes with so many things for like little girls. It's almost like khaki in a way. And then for Elena, I found these. They're Blowfish, and I got these at Ross for super cheap, but they are so cute. They're kind of like a metallic color, and they have these 3 little like elastic things here, so they're just like slip-on. But these are really cute, size 13, and they were really cheap too. Like anything at Ross is gonna be really good priced. I love putting boots on the girls because they wear a lot of leggings, and so I feel like leggings with boots and like a top is just a really good way to go with kids. And so I bought these for Emery at Nordstrom Rack. They are the brand Harper Canyon, and they're just gray boots with like a little bow on the back. Really adorable. Like I could put these with any outfit and they would go well. And then I picked up some jeans for Elena. She's wearing one of her pairs of jeans today at school, so you're not going to be able to see those. But these are DKNY. I also got these at Ross. She wore these actually on the first day of school, so they are a little bit dirty. But they're just really, really stretchy DKNY jeans. And Ross actually had some good jeans, and I love little kid jeans that are stretchy. Like I hate rough and uncomfortable jeans for little kids. And then I also got Elena this at Old Navy. This is so cute. She wore this on the first day of school as well. It's this little green shirt with these stripes on the sleeves. Is this not the most adorable thing? Like I would wear this. I'm not even kidding. Like I think this is so cute, and she looked adorable in this on the first day of school. She just wore it with those jeans and then those black little slip-on shoes. And then I got the girls a matching shirt because I do like to match them sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes it's kind of fun. And I got this unicorn kind of sweatshirt from H&M. And I just think this is so cute. The girls, like I said, love unicorn stuff. They're obsessed with unicorns. And then I got Emery this at Nordstrom Rack. Nordstrom Rack didn't have very much this year for some reason. I didn't like their selection, but this is also by Harper Canyon. And it's this really cute little like blousey shirt, and it has like stretchiness right here on the front, a little button in the back, and it's just like a really soft, like silky material. And then for Elena, I got her some gray, these are like gray blue, kind of like a gray blue legging at H&M. H&M make the best leggings as far as like the shape. Also Old Navy makes really good leggings. They just are tight like all the way down, if you know what I mean. So I also picked this up for Elena from Old Navy. It is just a long sleeved shirt with feathers on it. Like really simple. Again, just jeans and some shoes, even like a jean vest, like denim vests. But this was really, really cute as well. And then for Emery, I got this at Old Navy. It is a cat sweatshirt, little black cats on it. I think I'm gonna put this on her on Halloween, when she goes to school on Halloween. I just think that this is so cute, and it's really soft inside. And then out of all the t-shirts that were at Old Navy, which they always have like tables of just random t-shirts with like different sayings on them, this is the one that Emery wanted the most, and it says, "The best sister in the universe with planets." And she thought this one was the cutest, and she wanted this one out of all of them, and I think it's adorable. And then I got her 2 pairs of leggings, just this plum maroon pair from Old Navy. This is for Emery. And then this is also for Emery, these kind of mustard colored ones, which I feel like will go with a lot as well. And then I also got Emery these pants at H&M. They're just like legging material with like a seam down the front and then these two zippers right here on the pockets. And then I also got Emery this shirt here. It is a really cute floral. This is from Old Navy as well. It has like these little ruffly sleeves. This would go really good with the mustard pants and then like the boots. So for Emery, I got her a pair of black leggings at H&M. For Elena, I got her some black jeans without a button because I feel like when you're young, buttoning your jeans is kind of annoying and hard. So I found these without a button and they're just like elastic waistband, but they're jean material. And then here's the matching shirt I got for Elena, the unicorn one. And then Elena wanted a new beanie, and so she picked this one out. It has little eyes right here and then two little poof balls like on the side. So that'll be really cute once it gets really cold outside because you guys know I live in Oregon and it gets freezing here. Two more pairs of leggings, black and blue. You guys are probably like, why did you get so many leggings? But I swear every single one of Elena's leggings that she had from last year have holes in them, like all over them. Elena picked this out. And I'm like, okay, like that's random, but whatever. But it's like a pencil shirt and there's like these fluff balls and they're like supposed to be like alpacas or like llamas. And it says, my favorite pens. It's funny, it's cute, and it's totally like an Elena thing to buy. But yeah, she really liked that. I remember last year she bought these emoji leggings and that was like the one item last year where I was like, okay. And then also for Elena, I picked up this. It says love and it is just a pink shirt. I got this at H&M as well. This was a little bit more spendy, but it is a nice thick like sweatshirt material. This is something she'll be able to wear like a million times. I really, really like this. And then because they have pajama day at school all the time, like it's something that Elena's school likes to do all the time, I decided to get her a pair of sweatpants because Elena doesn't really wear pajamas to bed anymore. She just wears like big t-shirts, like hand-me-down t-shirts for me and Travis. And so I decided to get her just a pair of like sweatpants. So she could wear these with like a shirt and she can wear these for pajama day. These are from Justice, which I was so excited that I got to shop at Justice this year for my daughter because I remember when I was younger, Limited Too was like my favorite store of all time. Like I was obsessed with Limited Too, and Justice is actually Limited Too, but they just changed the name. So I was so excited that I got to go into Justice this year. So yeah, really, really cute little sweats for pajama day. I got this little cat sweatshirt. That is adorable. She kind of picked this out. I was kind of like, okay, but she was obsessed with the little cat on it, and I thought it was just cute because it's a cat. And then she also needed a little white camisole right here. So just a little white cami. And then I got her a little ice cream t-shirt on sale. This was like on a sale rack at Justice. And it's a really cute little ice cream tee. And then this was also on a sale rack at Justice for super cheap. And it's just a long sleeve pink shirt. And then my favorite item that I got the entire trip. This was so freaking cute. And I actually saw this, something similar to this at Nordstrom, and I had her try it on. I actually posted a picture on Instagram of her wearing it, and it was at Nordstrom, but it was like a $76 jacket. And I was like, I'm not buying her a $76 jacket, like no way. Plus she always loses her coats at school, which I bought her a $50 Gap jean jacket at the beginning of last year, and it was so soft. It was like the most soft, beautiful jean jacket I think I had ever seen, and I was like, this is gonna be my splurge item. Like, I'm gonna splurge on this, but it is so well made, it is so soft that she will get so much use out of this jacket, you know? Like, I thought she would wear it all year long and then she'd be able to pass it down to Emery. I was so excited, and then she wore it to school one time and she lost it. So I told her, I was like, if you lose this, I'm gonna be so mad. So I don't think she's gonna lose this, but I got this one at Justice, and it's like the knockoff of the Nordstrom one, and this one was way cheaper. But it's this fluffy little Letterman's looking like bomber jacket, but it's like fur, like a fur jacket, and it says 04 on it. How cute is this? I just could not buy this. So that is it for the back to school haul. Like, sometimes I get a little carried away when it comes to kids clothes. Like, I just can't help myself. Everything is so cute. But Elena really needed some new clothes because her stuff was just completely worn out. So I think that this is gonna do well and get them by. So that is it, you guys, for this video. I tried to go through this stuff really fast because I didn't want to make this video super long. So I'm sorry that I just kind of like showed you really quick and then put them to the side, but this video would have been really long otherwise. But that is what I got the girls for back to school. I think that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell notifications button if you guys want to be notified of all my videos. And I think that's it. So I will talk to you guys in my next video, and yeah, have a good day. Bye.